Hello, my name is Miss Vonni and thank you for tuning into my channel. So if you are new here, please subscribe because I would not want you to miss out. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a swatch video of Lola 7 Beauty. So Lola 7 Beauty is a lip company. They sell liquid lipsticks, lip liners, lip conditioners, lip scrubs, lip glosses, so anything about lips. So I purchased 5 liquid lipsticks and 2 lip glosses and also a lip scrub from Lola 7 Beauty. So let's go ahead and get right in. So right now what I have on my lips is Famous and Rum and Coke. So I did like an ombre look for my lips and that's what I have on right now. So I'm going to remove this and I'm going to do an individual swatch of each lipstick I brought and each lip gloss that I got. Vaseline is perfect for removing liquid lipsticks. Oh, that looks good glossy. I'm going to go in with the lip scrub. And this is in a flavor strawberry. So I'm just going to get a little bit. I probably got too much. So now let's remove it. Okay, so the first liquid lipstick I'm gonna go in with is Heartbeat. Heartbeat is like a purple pink shade. And this has like a sheen to it. Like a metallic look. So that is Heartbeat. I think that's really pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with Trophy. I like this shade. I've been looking for shades like this. So this looks like it's gonna be one of those shades that's gonna look like you don't have anything on, like really natural. Yep, I was right. Yeah, this was nice. I've been looking for a shade like this. So I wouldn't wear this shade necessarily by itself. I would only wear this shade with a lip liner. I think that's pretty and it gives off a 90s type of look with the bold liner, the lip color. It's gorgeous. Okay, so now we're going with Famous. I already had Famous on already, but I want to try it by itself, so let's go ahead. I like that. But I probably do better with my chestnut liner. I like that. Gives off that 90s look. Now I'm gonna go in with Rum and Coke. Oh yes. Sorry, they're playing music outside. I think I live near a DJ and they practice in their backyard. So sometimes he do with the vibes. Okay, so I like this a lot. I feel like this liquid lip, it dries pretty fast. So this is Rum and Coke. It's a nice neutral brown. More like a red brown. Almost like a brick. This is very cute. Usually I'm feeling myself. Okay. So now we're gonna go in with Kiss Me. Hello. How are you? Yes. I feel so roaring 20s. Let me stop. Okay. This is bold. I love this one. This is Bonfire. So I'm gonna go in with the liner. I feel like without a liner it's fine, but let's see. Ooh. Ooh, girl, this just made my lips more pronounced. This looks good, baby. But okay. Oh my gosh. I think this is gonna be the one for my thumbnail, because this is the one. So I'm gonna put these glosses in my hand. This product 4 and let's do a thumbnail. Oh, hold on. Let me get more on the camera. Okay. But I really love this one. It's so pretty. I be looking for like a shade like this, like an orange. It also has a hint of red, which makes it more complimentary towards me. But ooh, Naked lip gloss and Shy. So let's go in with Naked. Okay, that's Naked. I like that. So now I'm gonna go in with Shy. So they're both pretty similar. I think the name was perfect because I look like a little shy. I think this is a beautiful subtle color. Okay, I really like that. So thank you for watching. That is the end of this video. That wraps up the end. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and please check this company out. I really love every single lip product that I tried on. The lister listed, and the products smell good, because you know how you get those liquid lipsticks or lipstick from somewhere and it just, the smell is not, it's okay, but it's not like, it's not good. These smelled delicious, almost like candy. They smelled like candy, and I felt like it was really nice quality. And I also felt like the colors was very pigmented, and it was just a very beautiful shade, very beautiful products. So I will leave all these companies, I will leave the information of the company in below, their social media, their website, everything. So each liquid lipstick was about $12 and the lip gloss is like $9, so it's very affordable and it's really good for the quality. So really great company. My grandmother even loved it. As soon as I got it, she was like, oh, can I try them out? She tried them out and then she went ahead and purchased them. So they are some really great quality lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, lip glosses. So please check this company out. And thank you for tuning in my channel. You have a good day. Bye.